you've got a premium trip. But the moment someone sees a fixed price, they leave, without even asking a single question. High-value travelers bounce without inquiring, custom trips sit unpublished with no price to show, and you end up discounting just to close. Introducing Price on Request add-on for WP Travel Engine. Replace the pricing widget and start the conversation instead. Go to Trip Settings, Date and Price, and enable Price on Request, no code needed. Set a starting price to anchor expectations, write custom highlights, and customize your button text. Then choose how travelers get in touch. You get 3 options, all built in. Open Enquiry Form, which will simply navigate to Enquiry Form. Or enter a custom link, your own booking link, or anywhere you want to send them. If you use your own forms, paste your shortcode and it launches in a clean pop-up. Each trip can have its own method. You're always in control of how the conversation starts. On the trip page, the old pricing widget is gone. A clean pricing card takes its place, starting price, your highlights, and one request a quote button. Stop losing leads to a price they weren't ready for. Get Price on Request for WP Travel Engine at wptravelengine.com.